Looking for an affordable small magnetic power bank for your iPhone? Let's check out this one from Sindox today. Hi, this is David Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's check out the Sindox magnetic power bank for iPhone 12 and 13 and compare its features against Apple's own MagSafe Battery Pack. Sindox magnetic power bank comes in this simple white box. Inside the box, a manual in English. There is a power bank, a short USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and a magnetic ring sticker to make older iPhones or a non-MagSafe thin case magnetic. Cool. Let's take a look at the power bank in more detail. There are 4 colors available: black, pink, purple, and the white one I have here. The power bank is in a rectangular shape with rounded corners. It measures about 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches and about a ½ inch thick. Weighs about 4 ounces. Here's how it compares to Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack. It's actually shorter, about the same width, and just a tad bit thicker. They weigh just the same. By the way, if you're wondering if Apple's battery pack is any good, check out my video I'll link here and in the description below. Alright, back to the Sindox power bank. It has a nice silicone cover. I like how it's comfortable and soft to the touch. Feels quite similar to Apple's silicone iPhone cases. On the top, there is a silver Sindox logo and a power button. On the side, there is a USB-C port. It can be used as a power input to charge the power bank or a power output to charge other devices. There are 5 indicator lights next to it for status and battery level. Flipping it over, there's the usual MagSafe shape magnet in gray rubber. The magnet portion sticks out so the power bank feels thinner on the edges. Here's how the power bank looks on my wife's iPhone 12. The gap between the phone and the power bank makes it easier to hold. And here's how it looks with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. The magnet is strong and the power bank sticks to the iPhone securely. It stays on even stronger with this Sindox MagSafe case. By the way, if you're looking for a good MagSafe case, check out my video on this case I'll link here and in the description below. Inside Sindox power bank, there is a 5000 mAh battery. It's more than enough to fully charge an iPhone mini. Almost enough for the iPhone and iPhone Pro, about 90 to 95%. And can charge up my iPhone Pro Max to about 70 to 75%. That's about 1.5 times more capacity than Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack. The Sindox power bank charges the phones up at about the same speed, but it gets warmer than Apple's battery pack. Not burning hot, just warmer to the touch, especially around the bottom of the power bank. It does cool off quite quickly once the charging stops. The power bank can also charge Qi-compatible devices such as my AirPods Pro, which comes in handy. When the power bank is plugged into a 25 watt or larger power supply, the iPhone will get fast charged while the power bank also gets filled up at the same time, which is great. It does get even hotter charging like this though. Being third-party, Sindox power bank isn't as integrated with the iPhone as the Apple battery pack. It can be reverse charged by the phone, it doesn't turn on and off by itself, and there's no charging animation nor battery widget with battery information. The battery level is indicated by the status LEDs on the power bank. Not as elegant maybe, but it can be easier to see without having to attach the battery to the phone first. At $49.99 US, the Sindox magnetic power bank is half the price of the Apple battery pack. There are additional discounts from time to time with the link I'll put in the description. It has more capacity, can fast charge other devices, and the iPhone even with a USB-C wire if needed. And there are more colors to choose from. I think it's a great alternative to Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Which MagSafe battery packs have you tried? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, Please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.